Minister wa ihinda wa githomo Dr. Fred Matiang'i augite ni arona utonga wa bururi ugikura kugerera mutaratara mweru wa mathomo uria urakinywo mathukuru-ini kuona ati riu arutwo marithomaga maundu maingi maria mangihota kwikira na moko mao na kurehe otaramu uria urabatarania honge-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini.
So we are talking about skills, we are looking for competencies. That's why our new proposed curriculum is a competence-based curriculum. We want people to train to acquire skills. We want people to develop their talents.
Kwa ihinda iraya, Matiang'i augite mathomo guku bururi-ini ni marabacitie ikinya maithomo othe makierekera kuri aria meka wega makiria igeranio-ini iria nyingi ni cia kwandika.
People are dying to go to the university and get a degree no matter what. And even if they actually probably do not know what they are going to do with the degree, as long as they put on a gown, they attend a graduation ceremony, they have a party, and they bring people from their village with matatus and leaves. Without even pausing to say, okay, what is this going to do to me in the long run? So we are also reforming the curriculum because our ideology of education must change with the time.
Ministry ya githomo o hamwe na anyiti itemi matiganite makoretwo makigia na cikaro cia kuona uria mutaratara mweru ukurutithio wira niguo kurehe umithio mwegega hari gukuria bururi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.